Hi guys, today I'm going to be filming a homeschool day in my life. Currently Wednesday, August 12th. In my bed, brushed my teeth, and it is currently like 10. I was not able to get up this morning because I couldn't fall asleep last night. So I allowed myself to sleep in, and that is perfectly fine. This morning I tried something different rather than just like instantly getting up and starting my routine. I said 3 things that I was grateful for and just a couple of affirmations. I'm in psychology right now, and it said that affirmations are really good for you to like start your day with. This is my workout for the day, and I'm gonna go ahead and start my journaling. I did my lift, I showered, and now I have my breakfast. It is Chobani yogurt and then 1.5 servings of 3 Wishes cereal. I normally only do 1 serving, but I wanted more, so. This is my setup for my homeschool. I'm gonna go ahead and start. I finished my breakfast and then I got me a soda. But I have my iPad and laptop, and then over here I have my notebook. This is my math notebook, and then I have my highlighters and pens. This is like how my math notebook looks. It's how I take my notes, and then the test I always put in the back so I can just kind of refer to that when I'm doing my discussion-based assignments. Discussion-based assignments are basically you're on the call with the teacher, and then they'll give you normally around 3 to 4 questions, and then you have to answer it like right off the bat. Little update, I just wrote an ELA essay. It was on a short story called What I Have Been Doing Lately. We are just like analyzing it, and then I also did 2 more economic assignments. I don't know if I'm like allowed to actually show the work I'm doing, like if the school can get me in trouble for that, which is why I'm not sharing that. It's currently 2:05. I fixed up my psychology assignment, so I resubmitted that. I scheduled that DBA, I scheduled my ELA DBA, and I scheduled my math DBA. I did a math exam. I'm working on economics now, and then I also did an ELA quiz. I'm taking notes for Algebra 2 right now, and it's just like factoring. I don't know if your guys' teacher taught you like this too, but it's like you do an X and then it has to add up to the bottom and multiply up to the top, the 2 side numbers. And like it's completely different the way they teach it through virtual school. Lunch, so I have chicken, cottage cheese, and then fries. Did I say that right? Yeah. And then a Coke Zero. For dinner, I'm having rice, mozzarella, cheese, and chicken. I was doing some more math work, and then I started feeling really burnt out, so I stopped because I don't want to burn myself out. I know I worked a lot today, but my brain still tells me I should be doing more. It is now Friday. I can barely talk because of this, but little does my teacher know, during our phone call assignment, I'm going to be having this in. It is officially the weekend. I filmed a little bit throughout my week. I have half of my first semester of ELA done, half of my first semester of psychology done, a quarter of my way of economics done, and then I think I'm 22% done with Algebra 2. So we got a lot of work done for the first week, which sets us off for a good rest of the year. This upcoming week, I'm really going to focus on finishing economics and psychology because you have to at least be in the class for 2 weeks per semester. So I just want to get those done with. That way I can really buckle down on Algebra 2. My ELA, I'm also going to probably finish first semester this week. I like really love it. We're reading an Edgar Allan Poe story, and then, no, Shakespeare, sorry. We did a short form Edgar Allan Poe, and then we're reading a lot of Shakespeare and then analyzing it, and I actually really love reading Shakespeare, even though I don't really understand half of it, but I'm having a blast with that. I don't like math. I've never been a math person. Psychology, I absolutely adore, and economics, it's just really scaring me because they like show a picture of like taxing that we have to do when we're older, and I'm just like, what?